Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. And today I got this this Euro cylinder here that I got from Mr. Springett, I believe. I'm pretty certain. And it's an Austule, I believe. Let me get a focus on it here. Yeah, Austule. So not a cylinder I'm familiar with, don't know a lot about it. I have seen a few people pick these, but yeah, don't know much about this company at all, or this brand. There's your key. Looks like the same spacing as a Lockwood. Looks like I forget what bow this is, a Whitco, I believe. But yeah, well, I already took one of the clips off because I plan to gut this thing. It'll be my first time gutting a Euro cylinder on camera, at least. And I have to say, every time I see someone like Bosny and Bill, for example, cut one of these in half just to gut it, kind of makes me, kind of triggers me a bit. I don't know, I like them intact. I get it though. I mean, you can have two locks for the price of one, let's say, but yeah, I like these things intact. So here's your key. Make sure I don't pop the plug out of here. So let's see what this thing has. For this keyway I use this homemade pick here, my Ferrari. My Bentleys are in the garage right now. Not getting worked on. They were running perfectly fine. They're just in storage. And of course, top of the keyway. So with this pick here, the way I made it, works. Like I said, works great for these keyways. If you can't get under a pin, you know it's binding, and it kind of has that slope. So yeah, you know when a pin's binding. Works pretty good. So number 5 is binding. Let's try that again. I think we got it. Number 4, definite turn on the core. Number 3, definite turn on the core. No counter rotation though. 2, I believe, and then this would be 1, and we're open. So that's pretty interesting. Like big turns on the core, but no counter rotation. I'm gonna pick it the other way just for fun. So I'm guessing if 1 was the last to bind that direction, it probably might bind first. Yep, in this direction. So curious to see what's in here. Okay, let's try that again. Okay. Feels like we went right by 2, I'm not quite sure. I felt like 3, 4, and 5. Feels like we missed 2. But either way, I'll take it. I think we're going to need all the time we're going to need all the time we can gutting this thing. Like I said, I think I've only gutted one Euro cylinder, and this will be the first time gutting one on camera. So if I got everything ready, I'm gonna use the shoe, crappy shoe from the Huck kit. Hard to do this through the camera, but I want you guys to have a good view. So we'll just hold this out. Slid back in. did we lose? 3 pins. I think I heard one hit the floor too. Anyway, that was bound to happen. Let me, well, let's actually try to see. Oh no, we only lost 2 pins. We might have lost the driver too, because I thought I heard something hit the floor. So we got those backwards. Okay, so this is 2. This is 1, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, let's do this properly. So they are taper topped. I'm very curious to see the drivers, because you guys saw the turns on the core, I hope. Curious to see if it's just, yeah, look at the core. Each chamber gets progressively pushed towards me. So one is closest to me. I hope you guys can see that. Oh, this is not even a straight edge, but yeah. So that makes sense. I'd be surprised to find a spool in here. But we never know. Wow. So yeah, oh, let's just do it that way. That's 5. 4, wow, 4 is a spool. I'll be damned. Well, at least this way, I mean, we're not taking it out by hand, but we definitely know the order that they're coming out. Now, did one fall on the floor, or... No, it didn't. So I didn't drop it. I could have sworn I heard something hit the floor. Well, there we go. That wasn't too bad, besides dropping a couple pins from the core. But yeah, we can definitely see, I mean, I hope you guys can see that these aren't drilled perfectly. I mean, probably better tolerances than a quick set, though. I'll give it that. Cool lock. So yeah, surprised that there's one spool in all those top pins. And we can, hope you guys can see, definite taper or chamfer, whatever you want to call it. More of a slight taper on the key pins. So there we go. The Austule. Again, if anyone knows anything about this brand, I'd be happy to hear. Put it down in the comments for sure. Alright, that's out of the way. Again, guys, I really appreciate everyone's support. Appreciate everyone sticking with me. As always, don't be shy to leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Hope everyone has a great weekend.